Hey guys, Helping Up here. I'll be doing a reaction to ForgaLorga's an old video I forgot to react to is Your Little Cat. And I figured to react to one of these. Yeah, it's short, but I'm running out of Brony videos to react to real fast. Unless you guys can find some. Because, yeah. But as you can tell, I got a haircut. And, I don't know, I can never think about the saying these. Because it looks like everyone's getting ready for the Brony conventions, like the Everfree Northwest. There's one in Chicago. How the hell do people save up money to go to places where it just drains all your money? I just don't see the point to going to a convention anymore. I've been to them 3 times and it's just, to me, a complete waste of $100. You get a room, you pay $100, and you sit around, and that's it. And you're like, what's the whole point of this? But then, you gotta know people, I guess. 3 years of always going there, I was always the one just sitting in my room, or wandering around bored out of my mind. And I just lost interest in those conventions, because I just never had a reason to stay. But that's the reason why I didn't want to go to Everfree Northwest this year, because I just didn't see the point of it. And Everfree Bronies are more business than they are friendship, so it's kind of been going downhill like mad with them. Because they don't like to socialize with anyone besides themselves. That's why I lost respect for them a long time ago. But anyway, let's just get to the video. 3, 2, 1. Like a mirror. Twilight, what are you doing?
Oh, hang on a sec.
What is that?
I don't know. I was trying to do something. Oh. Oh, well, I guess we're just gonna have to wait.
Thank you. Oh, that's broken.
Tucker did it.
What the heck?
I got a house on the Cape. Maybe you come visit.
Maybe.
Maybe you call a few days in advance to give me time to get the house clean.
Okay.
Maybe you bring a blazer so we can go to a wider range of restaurants.
I'll bring a blazer.
Hey, Celestia's actually in these. She looks naked without her trinkets on. Please. Oh, for the love of... Hey. Okay, you can go outside now. God damn it, every freaking cat. Don't make me get the broom. I know how you feel. It happens to me every time when I had a cat. Ew. Ew. Oh, god damn it.
Oh, get out! Get out! Go on! Get out! 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 Go on! You get out of here!
How you doing? You didn't see anything. Trying to sleep.
Do you know who I am? I'm the pony who's gonna burn your house down with the lemons! I'm gonna get my engineers to invent a combustible lemon that burns your house down!
Whoops. Pinky. Oh, silly. Despite the little glitch we had at the beginning. It's short, but yeah, it's okay. Like, kind of longer videos than that, but like I said, might as well just make this for you guys. It's short, but I just can't figure out any MLP brony videos. I directed the show, but I'm sick and tired of Hasbro flagging me every single time. Despite I don't make any money off it, but whatever. Hasbro can burn in hell, all I care. But anyway, hope you guys like the direction, and have a nice day.